boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Cuco here, covered him before, and he deserves more attention. This song is called Best Disaster. So I really like Cuco's style here. It's a lot of the 70s vibe here going on in his songs. So yeah, let's highlight this one, Best Disaster. No need for any cape on this one. We have 6 different chords, I believe. So let's take a look at the chords. It's challenging perhaps because it's a lot of bar chords. Almost every chord is a bar chord here, but it sounds great. So it's a way of practicing your hand grip here in your bar hand, if that is your left hand like mine. But anyway, let's take a look at this song now. So let's start with the chords. We have first the A sharp major 7. We have many major 7 chords here. So the first one is here on the A sharp. We'll have a bar here on the 6th fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E. So place a bar high up here, and then the rest will be 8th on D, 7th on G, and 8th on B. Alright, then the next chord will be C minor 7, and we use this grip for that. So now you're even higher up on the 8th fret with your bar. You cross all the strings there, and then you just add the 10th here on A string. So that's the C minor 7. Then we have the C sharp major 7. That's the same grip we use for the A sharp. We just have the grip A sharp here and move everything else down to this 4th position here. So you bar the 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and then the rest will now be 6 on D, 5th on G, and 6 on B. That's the C sharp major 7. Then we have the C minor 9, okay, a little bit different. This jazzy feeling over it. So you will have 3rd on A, then 1st on D, then 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. Try to avoid the last E here. What I do when I take this grip, I lean my little pinky, which I'm using here on the 3rd fret B string. I lean it on top of the E, and then I'm free to just play strummings all over it from A string and down, because this E will be muted. Okay, so just leave my little pinky, which I'm using on the 3rd fret B string, on top of the E, so it gets muted, and that way I can just feel free to strum. If you cannot handle that, you will try to strum here in the mid strings, all right, to avoid the last E. Okay, so that was the C minor 9. We have 2 more chords left. Let's go back to the major chords, the B major 7 now. So it's the same grip again as the A sharp and the C sharp. Now you are in the B position here, so you now have a grip on the 2nd fret with your bar finger from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and then the rest will be now 4th on D, 3rd on G, and 4th on B. So you have these 3 positions here with the same grip, all right? That was the B major 7, and the final chord is the G sharp. So you have a bar now on the 4th fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. And that gives you the G sharp. Now we are ready. So before we look at the chord progressions here, we will look at the strumming. You can go either 2 ways. You can just go with 1 down per chord, and then it's a longer break between the chords, and then comes the next chord, like that. Perhaps a bit boring, and I think as just a single guitar, you could do more than that. So what I will prefer for this one is a strumming that goes down, 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 up. And I showed you that in the introduction of this tutorial. So let's grab the A sharp chord here. And one strumming, like I mentioned, down, 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 up. I play the 2 first downs more on the bass strings, and then the last down, down, up more on the mid and top strings, the higher. Okay, so like this. Okay, so you're gonna play, if you use this strumming, 2 strummings per chord. So 2 strumming rounds per chord. And the verse play will be A sharp major, then the C minor 7, and then the C sharp major, and then the C minor 9. Okay, so that is the chord progression for the verse. A sharp, C minor, C sharp major, and C minor 9. So like this. Alright, that's the verse play, and then the chorus will be starting the same way. It will be the A sharp major, still 2 strumming rounds per chord here. So then the C minor 7, then now we have the G sharp, and we have the B major 7. And that's it for the chorus, and that's what you need for Cuco's Best Disaster. So a verse play and a chorus play, that's it. And a great opportunity to practice your bars. So yeah, that pretty much covers it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And till next time, guys, play tuned.